XMeta, the future of the XRPL Metaverse begins now. The XRPL has speed, reliability, and a vibrant builder ecosystem. But until now, it hasn't had a metaverse powerful enough to unify that energy. XMeta changes that. We're relaunching XMeta with a clear mission: to create the first XRPL native metaverse where builders from every project can develop, grow, and showcase their own brands, all inside a cohesive, connected universe. This is not just a comeback. It's a reboot of what an XRPL metaverse can be. Why the future of XMeta is exceptionally bright. 1. Built on XRPL, the ledger designed for real utility. XMeta benefits directly from everything that makes XRPL unmatched: ultra-fast, low-cost transactions, battle-tested security and reliability, sustainable by design, carbon-neutral blockchain, seamless tokenization and NFT support, easy integration for builders from any project. This gives XMeta a foundation that other metaverses on slow, expensive chains simply cannot offer. 2. A metaverse that unites XRPL builders, not divides. The XMeta is built as an open, shared playground for creativity. Whether you're a developer, NFT project, artist, DeFi builder, gaming studio, or founder, you can build your world inside XMeta. Imagine your project's own planet, your brand's own city, marketplace or arena, your community's home base inside the metaverse, your NFTs becoming playable assets, your XRPL token integrated into its own ecosystem. XMeta gives every builder space to create, without friction or fragmentation. This fosters cohesion, collaboration, and cross-project synergy, exactly what the XRPL has been waiting for. 3. XRPL interoperability at the core, with support for tools like Xamen Wallet, XUMM, Connect on-chain, XRPL token balances, including XMeta, Google anti-gravity integration guidance, future AI-driven game creation with Gemini and AMP, other LLM tools. XMeta will be one of the most developer-friendly metaverse platforms in the Web3 space. 4. A creator-first visual universe. XGalaxies, X-planets, X-aliens, X-creatures, X-buildings, X-spaceships. The entire visual ecosystem is designed to be built collaboratively, not controlled from the top. Artists, 3D designers, and storytellers will be able to shape entire worlds with fractional planet ownership, royalty-bearing NFT assets, customizable environments, rich lore, and immersive experiences. This opens the door for sustainable creator economies, not hype cycles. 5. Games, VR, AR, and AMP, e-commerce. All under one metaverse. The new XMeta is not just a game. It's a full XRPL-powered virtual world with real utility. Play-to-earn arcade worlds, VR, AR-enhanced social spaces, virtual storefronts, and AMP. Global commerce, music, art, DeFi, nightlife, and entertainment. Digital plus real-world goods, creator-built ecosystems, interconnected. X-planets for every industry. This is how XMeta becomes a true Web3 extension of the internet, not a one-dimensional metaverse. 6. XMeta token utility and AMP. Momentum. Trustline setup can be via XP Market or from your own wallet. XMeta becomes the heart of the economy. Marketplace transactions, Planet and AMP. Asset governance, staking and AMP. Passive earning royalty distribution, creator tools, game credits and AMP. XP interplanet commerce. As the metaverse grows, XMeta becomes more valuable, more functional, more essential. 7. A reborn project. With modern vision, plus CTO-led engineering, XMeta started in 2021 with big dreams. Now it returns with fresh architecture, real engineering, modern AI tools, a future-proof roadmap, high-end UI/UX, scalable XRPL integrations, a leadership team ready to build non-stop. This is the relaunch that unlocks the project's full potential. Investors, builders, visionaries. This is your moment. The metaverse market is maturing. The XRPL ecosystem is accelerating. And XMeta is stepping back into the arena with momentum, clarity, and technology that can actually deliver. This relaunch is the start of something special, a metaverse designed for innovation, collaboration, interoperability, ownership, real economic activity, community-led growth. XMeta is not just another project. It's the metaverse the XRPL deserves. Let's build the next era together. A growing universe with no limits. The beauty of XMeta is that it's limitless by design. Where most metaverses restrict you to pre-made maps, static worlds, or controlled environments, XMeta unleashes the builder. Every X planet can evolve. Every XGalaxy can expand. Every creator can introduce new mechanics, new economies, new stories, and new experiences. This is a metaverse that grows organically, the same way the best open-source ecosystems do, through contribution, collaboration, and shared ownership. XMeta is not a closed world. It's a canvas for an entire generation of XRPL creators, where XRPL projects converge, not compete. The XRPL has many passionate communities, but they often operate in isolation. XMeta solves this by providing a unified digital layer where every project can bring their NFT collections, their tokens, their branding, their utility, their games, their culture, all inside a single interconnected metaverse. This creates something extremely rare in Web3, cross-community cohesion. Imagine an XRPL where token projects have districts, artists curate entire art planets, DeFi apps have virtual headquarters, NFT communities host experiences, game studios publish worlds inside XMeta builders, collaborate naturally inside shared digital spaces. That's the power of a metaverse built to unite, not divide. Where creativity meets real-world utility. XMeta isn't only a fantasy world, it's an economic engine. The marketplace will allow virtual storefronts, real-world product sales, VR-based tutoring, music lessons, consultations, AR-enhanced shopping experiences, event hosting for global communities, immersive fashion, gaming, and entertainment, brand partnerships, and sponsored worlds. This is where Web3 meets real commerce, where creators monetize their skills, and where investors see actual utility driving value. Powered by a community that believes in the vision. A metaverse is only as strong as the community that builds it. XMeta is returning with renewed interest, a motivated developer core, a growing investor base, XRPL-wide support, creators eager to bring their ideas to life, gamers excited for a new frontier. Momentum matters, and XMeta has it. Next level UX NAMP, UI, designed for mass adoption. The relaunch introduces a modern, mobile-first interface with smooth animations and reactive elements, a cinematic XRPL dashboard, real-time token, balance updates, minimalistic neon sci-fi aesthetics, seamless, Zaman wallet, authentication, clean, intuitive builder tools, a world browser for navigating planets and galaxies, AI-enhanced onboarding and tutorials. This is premium experience territory, the sort of polish that attracts not just enthusiasts, but everyday users and serious investors. AI-enhanced metaverse architecture. What sets XMeta apart is its fusion of AI plus XRPL technology. Using Gemini-level tools, creators can build game assets, generate environments, script interactions, animate characters, design planets, create stories, lore, and missions, auto-generate 3D prototypes, optimize performance, develop NPC behaviors. XMeta becomes the first XRPL metaverse where AI is part of the creative pipeline, lowering the barrier for new creators and empowering advanced builders. The rebirth of a sleeping giant. XMeta started strong in 2021. The ideas were bold, the community was inspired, and the foundation was promising. But timing, tech maturity, and resources weren't right. Now the landscape has changed. The XRPL is more powerful. The tooling is better. The tech is faster. The vision is clearer. The relaunch is backed by engineering, not hype. This is the perfect moment for XMeta to rise. Why investors should pay attention. XMeta checks all the boxes for a high-upside Web3 investment, a massive addressable market, metaverse plus gaming plus NFTs plus AI, built on one of the fastest, most eco-friendly blockchains, interoperable with the entire XRPL ecosystem, a token with real, multi-layer utility, a future-proof roadmap, an experienced CTO-led rebuild, a community-first philosophy, multiple revenue models, games, NFTs, royalties, commerce, tools, assets. Investors aren't just buying into a project, they're buying into an evolving universe with long-term scale. This is what early-stage opportunity looks like. XMeta is poised to become the XRPL's flagship metaverse. Not just a game, not just a platform, not just an ecosystem. A living, breathing digital universe powered by XRPL speed, creator imagination, and the unstoppable momentum of Web3 innovation. This is the metaverse that brings the XRPL together. This is the metaverse that grows with every builder. This is the metaverse that will set new standards. This is the metaverse that's ready for liftoff. XMeta is back, and the future is wide open. Why XMeta is positioned to lead the next wave of XRPL growth. XMeta isn't entering the market as a guess or a gamble. It's entering at the perfect moment, when the XRPL's technology, tooling, and community are more aligned than ever before. The XRPL ecosystem is evolving rapidly. More dev tools, more builders, more enterprise interest, more NFT and gaming traction, stronger liquidity pathways, better cross-chain support. A wave of new users onboarding through Zaman and XRPL-based apps. XMeta becomes the hub where all of this innovation converges visually, socially, and economically. The XRPL has needed a flagship metaverse, and now it has one. A developer-defined metaverse. Unlike closed metaverses built by massive corporations, XMeta thrives on openness. Every XRPL builder can integrate. Every project can have space. Every creator can contribute. This means NFT artists can mint, showcase, and animate their collections inside XGalaxies. Token projects can build themed planets or cities. Game developers can deploy mini-games or full 3D experiences. DAOs can create governance hubs. XRPL businesses can open virtual storefronts. Musicians, creators, clubs, and brands can run digital venues. XMeta becomes the canvas for XRPL's creativity. When every project can plug into one metaverse, the entire ecosystem grows exponentially. Cross-community collaboration, the missing piece of XRPL. Right now, XRPL communities are strong but separate. Each project has its own vibe, its own audience, its own identity. XMeta brings them under one sky. Through shared events, linked missions, interplanet travel, customizable hubs, cross-collection quests, collaborative earning opportunities, multi-project festivals, and showcases, XMeta becomes the place where users discover new builders, engage with new tokens, and expand into new ecosystems organically. This is how you grow a blockchain economy, by creating spaces where people interact. AI-enhanced building for the masses. The new XMeta takes a huge leap forward by integrating AI tools into its creative suite. Think Gemini-powered world generation, AI-assisted, 3D modeling AI NPCs with persistent memory, AI-driven quests, stories, and interactions, auto-generated environments, easy type-to-build features for non-coders. This means that even small teams or solo creators can build massive, visually stunning experiences without needing a AAA studio budget. It democratizes creation inside the metaverse. The combination of XRPL plus AI gives XMeta superpowers. A thriving XMeta economy. A metaverse is only as strong as the value it creates. XMeta powers marketplace purchases, player rewards, creator royalties, planet governance, access levels and AMP, perks, on-chain identity features, game credits and AMP, upgrades, fractional ownership utilities. As more creators build on XMeta and more users explore the metaverse, demand naturally grows, creating long-term sustainable value. Investors don't just buy a token. They buy into an ecosystem that expands with every new world, game, and builder. Scalable, sustainable, future-proof. XMeta is engineered with 4 core principles that ensure longevity. 1. Decentralization. Creativity, value, and decision-making come from the community. not from the top. 2. Interoperability. Built for XRPL first, but open to other L1s and cross-chain expansions. 3. Accessibility. Mobile-friendly, fast-loading, optimized for global users, not just high-end gamers. 4. Modularity. Every planet, tool, game, and marketplace can evolve independently without breaking the ecosystem. This is how a metaverse scales for the next decade. Final word. XMeta is more than a relaunch. It's a renaissance investors want projects with real utility, a defined audience, tangible innovation, cross-project value, strong technical foundations, a future-forward roadmap. XMeta delivers all of it. For builders, it's a creative hub. For users, it's a new world to explore. For brands, it's a new medium of expression. For investors, it's a gateway to exponential ecosystem growth. This is the moment the XRPL Metaverse truly begins. Let's build the next galaxy, together.